Hello everybody. Today I will be presenting Calm, an app that can easily be integrated into your classroom in order to benefit your students' mental health, but also your own mental health as an educator. Calm is an app that can be downloaded onto your phone, tablet, or computer. When you create a Calm account, you have access to all these different categories: sleep stories, guided meditations, music, master classes, and Calm Body. These can all be used in the classroom for different purposes. For example, sleep stories could be used with all grade levels because there are some for adults but also some for children. They range from about 15 minutes to an hour, and so they can be used for different activities. The guided meditations can be used to help lower your students' anxiety, which will increase their focus and therefore benefit their learning. Another example would be using Calm Body to wake your students up in the morning if they're having trouble to focus. These are fun, innovative things to integrate to your classroom in order to benefit your students' mental health. Calm usually costs $60 a year to download. However, thanks to the Calm School initiative, as an educator, you can download Calm for free by using your school email to sign up. I really hope you give it a try. Thank you. Have a nice day.